Welcome back to the Amused Nomad. Today we're embarking on a scenic cycle ride along Toronto's beautiful Waterfront Trail. Our journey begins at the new Cherry Street South Bridge in the redeveloping Toronto Portlands. This stunning bridge is part of the ongoing transformation of the Portlands, making them more accessible and inviting for cyclists and pedestrians alike. As we ride westward along the Waterfront Trail, we'll cover approximately 11 kilometers, taking in the fresh lakeside air and the vibrant summer sights of Toronto. After a brief stop, we'll pick up a coffee and enjoy it at Sugar Beach. Sugar Beach is one of Toronto's most unique and picturesque spots. Opened in 2010, Sugar Beach is an urban beach park located across from the Redpath Sugar Refinery. Here we'll enjoy a moment with our coffee, soaking up the sun and the waterfront views. With its beach umbrellas and chairs, the white sand, and the playful fountains, Sugar Beach is a perfect place to relax and recharge before continuing on our journey. Immediately past Sugar Beach is the Redpath Sugar Refinery, which opened in 1958. As we continue, we pass the Quay Terminal, a condominium, apartment, office, and retail complex originally built in 1927 as a marine terminal, with offices, a warehouse, and a cold storage facility. On the left, you'll see the entrance to Toronto's Billy Bishop Airport, also known as the Toronto Island Airport. Next, we ride past Little Norway Park, named because during World War II, it was a Royal Norwegian Air Force base and training center. On the right is the former site of the Maple Leaf Baseball Stadium, which was demolished in 1968. We are riding through Coronation Park, which opened in 1937 to commemorate the coronation of King George VI and a World War I memorial. On the right are the grounds of the Canadian National Exposition. Continuing our ride, we pass by Ontario Place, an entertainment venue and event space and park. Currently, Ontario Place is the topic of controversy due to the government plans to allow the construction of a large private spa on the former parklands and to relocate the Ontario Science Centre here, a move opposed by many. Waterfront Trail offers a seamless blend of urban and natural landscapes, making it a favorite route for cyclists of all levels. We are now in the area of the former Sunnyside Amusement Park. This park existed from the 1930s until the 1950s, when most of the buildings were demolished as part of the construction of the Gardiner Expressway. On the left is the Palais Royal, a dance hall now used as a banquet and entertainment complex. On the left is the Sunnyside Bathing Pavilion, one of the few remaining buildings from the Sunnyside Amusement Park. Complete our ride at the Humber Bay Arch Bridge, a striking piece of architecture that spans the mouth of the Humber River. This bridge is not only a marvel to look at, but it also offers amazing views of the Toronto skyline. Thank you for joining me on this ride from the Don River to the Humber River along Toronto's Waterfront Trail. I hope you enjoyed the journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Amused Nomad for more cycling adventures.